Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve the LeetCode question number 1 to sum. In this question, we have to find the target value which uh, sum of two elements from the nums vector. So in this question, we use the unordered map to solve this question. So let's solve this. First, we create unordered map. And give name as f. After that, we create a vector and give name as answer. And we use for loop which iterates from 0 to nums dot size. After that, we create another variable first and assign as nums of I. Then we create another second variable which equals to the value of target minus nums of I. After that, we check if n dot find second is not equals to n dot n. Then we push answer dot push back and what second. Then we push R. Then we break it outside with condition. We write and the first equals to I. Then we return parentheses. So in this code, first we use an ordered map and a vector. Then we run the for loop, which iterates from 0 to length of nodes. Then we create two variables. One is first and second is second. The first is nums of I, which is this, and its value is changed. And the second is target minus nums of I. Target is, like for example, 9. So 9 minus the value of this iteration. Then we check if m dot find second is not equal to m dot n. So if it finds the second value, then we push back the answer. And then it push the first value, the answer. Then break it. So the m of first is equal to I, then it returns the answer. So let's run this code. This small error. Let's run this code. So that's it. Thank you.